when you working with D.I.Y with the yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This is Greg with D.I.Y with the Richardson. Man, we are back, man. As y'all seen on the last video, those that looked at the last video, man, I ran into some problems. I was trying to get my disc conversion kit on, and man, got to taking the bolt that holds the pin in the rear differential out, and the bolt broke, man. So kind of was scratching my head trying to figure out what was going on. So you know what I did, I went to looking around, doing a little research, man, and I want to show y'all this tool that I got, man, from Yukon Gear. Evidently this is a problem that happens a lot, so I'm gonna show y'all this tool. Y'all come on with me. Alright, gang, so this just came in today. This is a tool, man, from Yukon Gear. I got this from off of Amazon. It was a lot cheaper on Amazon. See that? Made in USA. But yeah, Yukon Gear. Alright, check them out, y'all. And what it is, let's try to open this up and kind of give you guys an idea what this is. But all it is a drill bit. And I know y'all like, well, you can just tap it out and die it out or whatnot, and re-tap it or whatnot. But I want to show y'all, man, this tool. So this tool, they got it packed pretty good here. Let's see if we can get it out. All right. So it's got a bolt that screws in there, and it's got a hole in the inside of it that's milled out in the inside of it. And they got two different links. It's a longer one, and I guess it depends on how far your bolt broke off in it. And then these are the little taps that you can put in it to try to get it out. And we're gonna try to get it out. The reason why this is so long is because you cannot get a drill bit in the differential. So let me just show y'all what I'm talking about here. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, so zoom in a little bit in there. Alright, so that bolt there, that's the bolt that broke off. But if you look at it, you can't get a drill in there or close to that. So this tool here, this drill bit, allows you to be, you know, a good ways out to try to drill that out. But we're gonna try to drill this out, and we're gonna see if this work, man. If I can get that out, man. If I can get that out, man. I ain't putting no brakes on this thing, man. I won't even be able to get the axles out. I won't be able to do nothing. So hopefully this thing gonna be out, and show y'all if this tool really works. Gang, so alright, so let me show y'all again. Show y'all this. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but as y'all can see, that bolt broke off. And so it I can get y'all a good picture in there. So it's a little good ways in there. So like I was saying, with this tool, you got this guy here. It's got a hole in it, and what it says, you got to screw it in, and it should bottom out against the piece that's broke in there. I don't know how far that piece there. I guess that's the farthest it's gonna go. And so you take your drill bit, and that drill bit goes in that hole, and it goes in that hole, and it drills, and you drill like that. And that hole basically keep your drill bit from moving and breaking. So I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod, man, and so y'all kind of get a good look at how this gonna work. Cause I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to do this. I don't want to break this bit because it's a specialty bit. All right, gang. So get that out. And I'm gonna put it in my drill bit. Alright, man. Y'all cross y'all fingers with this. I don't know how this gonna go. Let's see what it do, man. I'll tell you what. I think I'm gonna get some type of penetrant. Put in there so I don't dull this bit out. Hold on for a minute. Alright, put a little Berry D up now. We don't want no problems. We don't want no issues, man. We don't want no issues. No issues. Y'all set up for this. You can see a little better. Alright, man. Here we go. Can't even tell if it's even drilling. I don't know, gang. We got some, gang. Hey, we got some. Let's try it again. Try to clean it out a little bit more. Spread a little more Berry D in there. Hey, we getting somewhere, gang. Here, I'll try to use it. Let's see, get in there with it. I feel some, gang. We got, gang? Gang! Look at it, gang! We got it, gang! Bruh. That really works. Wow. Wow. Let's see that pin come up. There it is. Wow. first try. Man, I am so excited, man. Just like my favorite scripture says in Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. So just let you know, man, that you can do anything you put your mind to, man. But we got it, man. We are ready.